Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Substack Reader app, follow writers and newsletters step by step clearly. Open the Substack Reader app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit your app store and search for Substack Reader. Once the app is open, look for the login option on the home screen. Tap on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Substack account. After entering your email, tap on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a message from Substack. Open the email and locate the login link. Click the login link. The app will redirect you back to the Substack Reader. If prompted, enter your password to access your account. Once logged in, you will see a list of writers and newsletters. Navigate through the home page to discover new content. To follow a writer, tap on their profile. Look for the Follow button on their profile page. Tap on the Follow button to receive updates. You can also browse newsletters by tapping on the Explore section. Search for specific topics or writers using the search bar. Once you find a newsletter you like, tap on it for more details. Hit the Follow button on the newsletter page to start receiving updates. You can access your followed writers and newsletters in your library. To manage your subscriptions, go to your profile settings. Here, you can adjust notification preferences and account settings. Now you are all set to enjoy content from your favorite writers on Substack Reader. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.